ito yung magiging highlight ng Benguet sa buong 2025. Yung pagte-training sa inyo. Una-una, sa martial arts, andyan po yung mga specialista, yung mga tinakay na magte-training. Hihingi tayo ng tulong sa kanila para i-training yung mga estudyante natin sa martial arts at sa iba't iba pang mga sa wushu. Hihingi tayo ng tulong sa kanila para mag-training sa inyo. Kaya just enjoy this moment. Thank you.
Well, of course, namin na tumutulong na response tayo. Of course, nag-ito'y sumipagdahingan tayo kung pag-sports at nag-ito'y plakay. Namin na iaya.
He belongs to Team Lakay, the best MMA team in Asia, which is based here in Benguet. Our very own and a member of Samahang Kickboxing ng Pilipinas, Philippines Kickboxing National Team. Let's give it up for our world champion, Sean Claude Saclao.
I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation and gratitude for choosing me as a guest speaker. I am truly honored, privileged, and honored to stand and speak before you, most especially to all these future champions. I am very happy to join with you today. Malagip ko, back then, before joining the best MMA team in Asia, in Lakay, during my elementary and high school days, may sakit lang nakasalan na kayo. Nga makikong-compete, iti provincial athletic meet. Isa nga rin tamang na itatang excitement and nervous, iti ayang mag-feel ko rin tatang. Those were the days, one of my best days of my younger days, because I really love and enjoy competing in sports. At kasi comment lang kada kayo, you should enjoy every moment of the game. Kaya it is sports I wanted to loser, because you either win or you learn. The winners, congratulations. Keep it up. And to those who do not triumph, take it as a challenge to improve. Iti amin na sports, may salang iluser. Kay cholesterol, iti ipagi tayo, malus tayo, or kay istapas na so you become more healthier. That is healthy living. In sports, you gain a lot of benefits. You gain new friends, you gain self-confidence, and you gain respect. And most of all, in sports, naiwasan tayo iti magi-abisyo, akas iti illegal drugs. Nowadays, it is very sad to know magsuklimanin iti illegal drugs. But natayong younger generation na ito sports, iti may sanga kapintasan, awagas, at makaiwas tayo iti bisyo. At kaya tumadawatin ka na kayo amin ng atleta, hati ko ba matadailin iti future tayo, magulak iti bisyo. We should rather venture into sports to have a brighter future. And someday, tayo tuhod, di mag-represent not only our province, Benguet, but the whole Philippines. Awat din posible, basta ipapati yun. Sabi nga ni Congressman Honorable Eric Goyap, just give your 100%. Train hard, dream big, because champions are not born, they are made. Gatahan tunay na anuwente baga. All participating athletes and coaches, enjoy every game. Have. Thank you all. God bless us all.